Everything in the universe gives off radiation. If our eyes and ears were sensitive enough, we would be able to hear and see this radiation, but the spectrum of visible light is very small compared to the large electromagnetic spectrum. For us to hear, sound waves travel through the air into our ears. On our planet, air molecules vibrate and transmit sound to our ears, but as we already know, there's no air in space. Without a medium, sound waves cannot travel. But this doesn't mean there are no waves moving through space. Electromagnetic waves don't require other particles to travel like sound waves do. These waves can be used to create sounds. But how does this work? Well, as one example, people have captured emissions given off when charged particles from the sun encounter our planet's magnetic field. The signals are at frequencies that our ears can't perceive, but the signals can be changed, either sped up or slowed down to allow us to hear them. In the past, NASA has explored the idea that emissions from other planets can be captured and processed. They called these the songs of planets. The next few clips are examples of this, taken from NASA's YouTube channel. These sounds of Earth are unique, as they are caused by electromagnetic radiation released by lightning strikes in the atmosphere. The waves generated by these strikes bounce around in the magnetic field of the Earth. And because higher frequencies travel faster than lower frequencies, these waves sound like they have a fallen pitch. Aside from this, these sounds are intriguing because of what they remind us of. But are we really hearing the songs of planets? Not really. It all started when the Voyager 2 spacecraft picked up electromagnetic disturbances around Saturn and Jupiter. Radio waves, either being produced on or reflected off the planets, get trapped by the immense strength of a planet's magnetic field. These electromagnetic waves were picked up by the probe. None of the measurements themselves were of actual sound waves, but the oscillation frequencies could be translated into sound the same way our phones can take data and turn it into music. That's where the songs of planets originate, as data from a spacecraft. Each planet has its own unique sound. This is because each one emits different frequencies due to different amounts of charged particles flying around and because of the various magnetic field strengths in our solar system. Astronomers have also converted data from probes crossing the boundary of the solar system and turned that into sound as well. This shows that signals can come from many places in space, and turning them into songs lets us experience the universe with more than one sense.